This Jupiter return on 14th May 2025 is a karmic turning point for people who have Jupiter in Gemini in their horoscopes, symbolizing the rewards of your past 12 years of effort and actions. In this video, we are talking about natives who have Jupiter in Gemini in the second house of their birth horoscopes. With this Jupiter return, opportunities and blessings are likely to emerge, particularly in areas connected to communication, learning, relationships, and personal growth. The transit becomes especially powerful when Jupiter comes within 5 degrees of your natal Jupiter, as this close alignment triggers the most profound changes, realizations, and breakthroughs. Every 12 years, this cosmic alignment provides an opportunity to look back on the lessons of the past and set new intentions for the coming cycle. Jupiter's expansive energy magnifies all that Gemini and Mercury represent, whether it's strength or challenges, depending on how you work with this energy. When Jupiter transits over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the second house, the expansive energy of Jupiter interacts with the Tattva, that is the element of Gemini, which is air, and the mobility of Gemini, which is mutable, as well as the Mercury ruled nature of Gemini, adding an additional layer of complexity to the results. The air element signifies intellect, communication, and the flow of ideas, while the mutable qualities of Gemini indicates flexibility, adaptability, and a tendency to change directions. Mercury, the ruler of Gemini, adds a swift, analytical, and communicative energy to the mix, with Jupiter's expansive nature amplifying these traits. The result of this transit are likely to reflect both intellectual growth and material abundance, but with certain challenges that need to be carefully managed. Jupiter's influence on Gemini's air element amplifies your intellectual pursuits, communication skills, and resourcefulness. You may experience a heightened sense of curiosity and an urge to learn more about financial matters, investments, and wealth building strategies. This is a great time to expand your knowledge in business, finance, or any field that requires intellectual input. You may discover new ways to generate income through communication, technology, education, or networking. With Mercury's rulership, you may be drawn to mental activities that enhance your professional or financial life, such as reading, writing, speaking, or consulting. Jupiter's expansive energy will open up opportunities for personal and professional growth, especially in areas where you can apply your analytical mind and adaptive thinking. Financially, this is a period of growth and opportunity, as the air element helps you think outside the box and make flexible adjustments to your financial strategies. Jupiter in Gemini could bring unexpected financial gains, especially through ventures that require communication, such as teaching, media, sales, or tech. However, the mutable quality of Gemini means that the opportunities may be scattered or subject to change. You may find yourself juggling multiple streams of income or changing directions often. So, staying focused on your long term financial goals is key. Jupiter's expansiveness will push you to calculated risk, but without grounding yourself in a clear strategy, there is the potential for financial missteps or overextension. The second house also governs your self worth and values, and Jupiter's transit here can lead to a boost in self esteem and confidence. With Mercury's influence, you may become more articulate and assertive in expressing your needs, especially when it comes to your material resources or what you value most. However, this transit can also amplify any tendencies towards overinflating your sense of worth, leading to overconfidence or unrealistic expectations about what you can achieve financially. The air element's mobility could make you prone to changing your values or how you see yourself. So it's important to stay aligned with your true beliefs, not just following fleeting trends or external validations. On the negative side, the mutable nature of Gemini means that the second house of material wealth could become a bit unstable during this transit. You may find it difficult to commit to one financial path or investment plan, as your curiosity may lead you to explore multiple options at once, resulting in scattered efforts or incomplete ventures. While Jupiter's expansiveness can bring prosperity, it could also encourage excessive spending, particularly in the realm of material comforts or status symbols. The Gemini energy, with its need for constant change and novelty, might lead you to make impulsive purchases or indulge in material things as a way to feel secure or validated. Furthermore, the air element and Mercury's influence could also make you more prone to over-analyzing your finances or second guessing your decisions, especially if you feel uncertain about your financial future. Jupiter's expansive energy in the second house could make it easy to inflate expectations of how much you can accumulate or what you are truly capable of achieving in terms of material success, leading to disappointments if your goals are not grounded in practical reality. When transiting Jupiter comes within 5 degrees of your natal Jupiter, expect the most powerful results as the alignment of energies will be most intense. This is when you can experience major breakthroughs in financial opportunities, self worth, and personal growth. The karmic rewards associated with past efforts, especially in terms of how you have worked to build your financial security, can come into play, bringing blessings that set you on a path toward greater material success and self esteem. In conclusion, Jupiter's transit over natal Jupiter in Gemini in the second house brings significant potential for financial growth, intellectual expansion, and increased self worth. The air element and Mercury's mobility will fuel your intellectual pursuits and adaptability, but also bring the risk of scattered energy, impulsive spending, and overinflated expectations. To maximize the benefits of this period, focus on staying grounded, making wise financial choices, and leveraging your newfound confidence and communication skills to build a more secure and prosperous future.